his hand, no? Why are you using non-stick cloth using method? He replied immediately, I know about napkins, but if I start using napkins, then we have to.
ये जी बस इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉक फ्री इन्वर्टर है।
Dhruvan Vora, this is Prakash and that's Hardik. We are from Indus Institute of Technology and Engineering and we are in 6M Metallurgy. This is a mini cupola furnace, a smaller part of conventional cupola. The basic idea is to create very economical, everything is reused and it can melt up to 150 degrees of iron at 1250 degrees. So just the
what are the
only
innovative
source of energy is coal and that blower.
So you optimize the rate of flow of air or pressure of air or timing of what have you optimized in the model?
The basic aim was to create just a smaller scale of at a speed level. We wanted to see how it melts rather than going to a huge round and cast even at this scale. So for such a small level, 1250 degrees at the start, we achieved that.
Have you seen the big cupolas?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah, where did you see them?
In normal Santa Fe Foundry.
Very good. Congratulations.
Very response from this SME, exclusively SME. I have invited them.
Little boy who we had given award earlier, Sushant Patnaik.
How are you?
The chair बनाया था ना उसने?
This is my latest invention,
Yeah.
which I named Super Sense Technology. This is a device by using which you can operate any computer and laptop without using any keyboards and mouse. Just like in a Chris movie you have seen.
So story.
This is the keyboard mouse which I am not using. Just making a pressure movement in this three-dimensional area. Physical world to digital world.
अभी इसको हम अवार्ड नहीं दे रहे हैं। मैंने कहा तू बहुत जल्दी तेरे को अवार्ड मिल जाएगा ना, तेरे दिमाग आकाश में चढ़ जाएगा। तो और काम कर, इसको और अच्छा बना, और सोफिस्टिकेटेड बना।
Fantastic.
Wonderful. Very good, very good, very good. Shabash.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great
Keep it up.
boy.
Keep it.
You have to make a product now.
Yeah.
People should be using it.
Yeah, people should be using. Hello, how are you? How are you? Your entire team is here. Good. So tell us what happened.
Sir, this is a wheelchair. It can be driven in three ways. The first is through tongue base, second is through head base, and third is the conventional way, that is through joystick. Tongue base we have kept, the major reason is patient with high spinal cord injuries. In that case, tongue is the only physical option left with them because limb movement almost stops. So with the help of tongue, they could operate the wheelchair. Headphones like arrangement will be there. So applying the sensors will be there. So applying pressure on right hand side, it will be drying right. Applying that, it will be drying right. If you want to dry forward, it will be drying forward. That is for tongue base. Second, we have kept this head base. Head base is for quadriplegic patients. For them, upper limbs as well as lower limbs may not work. So head is the possible option left with them. Applying pressure on right hand side, the wheelchair will be drying right. Applying pressure on left hand side, it will be drying left. Like arranging books in a shelf and something like that. It is quite impossible for those people. So with the help of elevation, that feature, those disabled people could complete that task quite easily. This is what
And disabled organizations develop it sustainably. So this is achieved, they are not only something hi-fi company or jobs and all, what are going to be challenge. Problems. This is very good. Good morning, sir.
The main constraint that we figured out, the drinking water problem in India, is because of three aspects. That we were not able to bring the prototype here. It is a hand pump which filters water at the very same time when it pumps it out of the ground. So the problem in India is that most of the groundwater contamination these days have increased, as well as the present methods are costly, and there is limited supply of liquid. Billion people in India, they still live in rural India.
So what are the features of
Of the product? Okay, sir. Video, it will explain it.
with that Una technology that you had, where's that?
Initially, the water is coming from here.
Here.
These all are membrane.
What pore size?
Yes, sir. Ultrafiltration membrane will it will work on the micro scale. So
Pore size कितना होगा?
pore size will show you here. Exactly. There are two filters here: ultra filter and nano filter. And there is a micro filter was placed. Yeah. So ultra filter that will in the market. Arsenic filters are basically arsenic filters. Nano filters cannot remove arsenic. So for them we'll be requiring special pre-filters for arsenic. So what we have done that from the rural drinking water supply on the website we have downloaded a list of the contamination in each and every habitation of our country. And then we have proposed that of this 60% is only microbial contamination. So we'll be aiming to put only those filters in those areas. Only 10% of region.
We would like to participate in the we have got no idea about patents and how to proceed in this. Okay.
Hello, Shanu from IT company.
So we have designed a wheelchair. The name is Vardhan, and it's a stair climbing convertible.
Stair
wheelchair.
climbing wheelchair.
Yes, sir. So when wheelchair users, there are two type of wheelchair users. One that are active and one who are passive, who are using 100% independent. You can do all the works. The only problem is they don't have disability in the lower limbs, but they have very good upper body strength. So that was the key factor. For some of the people, it is the Everest. Why can't we design an adaptable? So I did good user survey and realized what is the problem and how I can come up with this design.
This is a working model.
Yes, sir, it's a working model. So I'll tell you how this whole concept came into my mind. So basically, I was searching for the easiest way of climbing staircase. Then I realized of my childhood
You had
days.
nobody in your home to suffer from this problem.
This concept that make a frame that a person can crawl up, because what happens with in the current scenario, since people have disability, they don't have senses, so they need to drag their legs.
So,
Then we realized I was very much into how a person. It has this sort of concept. The same concept. This break. Just with this movement.
Okay.
she's climbing down the stairs now on a wheelchair. Mechanically, not electronic.
Yes, sir. Because unnecessarily if we are putting batteries and it will increase the price. It's a simple machine.
When is the next version due?
Yes, sir.
Next version, when is it due?
So it's within 2 weeks that we are making it convertible. So that, see, the person who is using wheelchair, he cannot afford 2 wheelchairs. So it's important to include both together. And while climbing, this is the situation.
Hold on.
Beautiful. Good girl. Wonderful. Well done.
Wonderful.
Good morning, sir. I am
What's
Saurabh.
your name?
I am Saurabh Saket and he is Rahul Raja, my kid.
How are you? Come. Come. Yeah, please come. How are you? How are you?
The persons who can't speak. We found that they use the sign language. Okay.
Action is better. Can you show it?
Sir, not ambient environment for image processing. We need an ambient environment, not this crowd. We need an environment, and we can show it. So actually, the gist of the process is that they use sign languages. For them, A is this, B is this, C is this, D is this, E is this, okay, and so on and so forth. So we decided that we will take images, make the computer understand the 26, segregate the images into 26, understand them 26 different alphabets. We will return for every match. We will return a character value. We will combine those characters to form apple. Let's say apple. A P P L E. Okay. It's apple. Okay, sir. So and we can form the strings into sentences, and we can pass it on to a voice synthesizer, which can convert it into natural artificial voice. Yeah, text to speech is already there. We combined it with the gesture recognition system, and we converted Bhutta College of Engineering and Technology, Punjab Technology.
Yes, he is the dean from Punjab Tech University, and we should be proud of.
Very, you should be very proud.
देखो कितना अच्छा काम किया आप लोगों ने अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम कर दिया हाँ
बहुत अच्छा,
वेरी तो आगे बढ़ा दीजिए भाई
terrific.
How much investment do you need to take it next?
Sir, actually we are in process process to sign a deal with National Instruments, Bangalore. We are working with them.
That is
So that
we will facilitate the deal, show us the agreement and all that, so that you get good returns.
this is the device we have ordered, and from Monday we are going to work on this. We are going to integrate our software with this hardware. This is wearable, 3 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches. This is wearable.
Your teacher, compliments to your college, wonderful, and your university.
Yes, very good.
इनको जरा बना देंगे।
I'm Keshav from IIT Gandhinagar. I'm Keshav from IIT Gandhinagar, and this is a low-cost agarbatti machine. As you know, agarbatti is made by hand, and the workers are basically the women and their daughters. Last time I was working in slum area, and there are some women working, rolling the agarbattis with their hand, and they roll about 3,000 agarbattis a day, sitting at one place 8 hours. And then I thought, let's do something. And for 3,000 agarbatti they roll, they get rupees 60 rupees, just little more than $1. And then I thought, let's develop their production. With this machine, they could produce 600 agarbattis and hence earn 120 rupees. There is an increase in their livelihood.
ये नहीं है देखो रोशन तुम कह रहे थे यार हम लोग रास्ते से भटक नहीं भटके हैं ये बच्चे जो हैं संवेदना को कितनी सुंदर तरीके से बना रहे हैं
But then you observe, it's a hand-driven machine.
Yeah.
It's a hand-driven machine. So this machine doesn't replace the woman.
Right. And you know we have this stick making machine. इन दोनों को इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं
दोनों को integrate.
कब बनाओगे फाइनल मॉडल इसका?
We actually, this is the prototype I developed 6 months back. I'm working on a new prototype, and it will get developed in another 1 month.
Good. Has Sudhir Jain seen this?
Yeah, he has seen this. Yeah,
Good, very good.
he has seen this.
Which discipline do you belong?
Mechanical.
Mechanical. Which year?
4th year.
Very good. Congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
The domestic gas cylinder has extremely high pressure gas inside, liquefied. But by domestic regulator, we use it at about 1 to 2 psi. So what we have done is that we have used a high pressure industrial regulator to get the pressure up to 50 to 60 psi at the inlet. And we have used the throttling valve to decrease the pressure up to 1 to 2 psi. So the gas expansion takes place inside, and according to as the pressure drops,
Sweets.
it can get up to 0 degree or even minus 1 or minus 2 in just half an hour.
Non-consumptive use है क्या? It's a non-consumptive.
There is no electricity, we can use it, and we have provided capacity power for rapid cooling. So this can be utilized after some